Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool machine right here, and basically what this is some LED light strips. The one that we got right here is a 9.2 feet long. So I just want to use this to wrap it around like your TV screen or something. You definitely can. And the one that we got right here is from the brand called NiteBird. So I'm actually opening this up first to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see there's a bunch of stuff inside. So you see right here, they provide you guys some mounting accessories. I can use this to mount the actual product. Next up right here, we have the remote control option right here. There's also a plug outlet as well. So the cool thing about this right here, if you can see, it actually uses USB to actually power up the device. And you basically want to plug this onto your LED light strip. And then for the button controls on here, they have like a power button, they have a brightness button, and a different mode button as well. And also on this product, actually give you guys a music sync option. So you definitely have the option to use like the microphone on here to actually follow the beat of the music for the LED light strip, which is pretty cool. And then right here, we have the LED light strip. If you can see, it's definitely really small because like I mentioned, it is a 9.2 feet long cable. And then right here, we do have the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up the product and how to use it. And they also have a quick starter guide right here to show you guys how to set up the voice control, such as Alexa or Google Assistant as well. And then right here, they do provide another accessory that you can use as well to set up the product. But that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. So for this product, it's definitely really cool because it gives you guys the option to use it wherever you guys want to. You don't need to plug this into a wall outlet. If you guys want to plug this into a power bank, you definitely can. But you definitely have the option to use voice control, the app control, and also remote control on the actual cable itself. You guys are also not limited to just using it on your TV screen. If you guys want to put this onto like a monitor or something, you definitely can as well. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take out the LED light strip to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So all we need to do is to peel off this LED light strip. And behind the LED light strip, they do have a sticker that can stick onto like your monitor or your wall or wherever you guys want to set this up. And then for this part right here, all you need to do is stick it onto the cable, which is this cable right here. So let's plug it in and show you guys how to use it. So I'm plug it right here. And the other side right here, you basically want to plug it into a wall outlet, or if you guys want to plug it into your power bank, you definitely can as well. Alright, so plug it into my power bank right here. And we see that once we plug it in, you guys can definitely see it lights up. So now let's actually connect this onto the app first to show you guys how to use it on the app. So in order for us to actually connect it on the app, you want to press the power button and hold it down. So once you guys see the light blinking like that, that is basically how you guys know it's ready to connect it onto Bluetooth. And when you guys are ready to connect it on the app, you guys want to press this button on the bottom. Alright, so I found the device right here, so it's connecting right now. Alright, so we just finished adding the app right here. So if I want to control it on the app, I definitely can. So if I turn it on, that turns it on. If I turn it off, it turns it off. If I want to change the different colors on here, I definitely can as well. So here is blue, here is red, here is yellow, here is white. And there's definitely a lot of other color options here as well that you can choose from. If you guys want to dim the light, you basically want to pull this bar right here on top and bring it all the way down. And see the light goes down. So I bring it back up. You can see it goes back up. It also has a scene option here as well. So I click on the scene button. I can definitely change the different scenes on here. So when I'm playing like music on here, it definitely follows the beat of the music. So I'm gonna give it a try and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so you definitely see that definitely does work. And if you click on the schedule option right here, that basically gives you guys the option to use schedule or timer option right here. So that way, if you guys want to turn on or turn off the product at a certain time, you definitely can do that as well. And that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a short LED light strip to use for like a monitor or TV screen that has all the different functionality that's on here, like changing different colors, a schedule option, different scene option, increasing and lower the brightness on here. If you guys want all of that, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.